Schnitzel with cornflakes. Put the cornflakes in a mixing bowl and crush them by hand. Partially split the chicken fillets so they open out into 2 halves and pound them until flat. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt over the fillets. Then dip them in the flour, followed by the eggs and finally the crushed cornflakes. Heat the sunflower oil in a deep pan. Fry the chicken fillets for about 3 minutes until they become golden brown on both sides. Put the fried chicken fillets on a plate of paper towels to soak up the excess fat and leave for 5 minutes before serving.